You're a steam fitter. You've been working your entire life with asbestos gaskets and pipe covering, and now you've been diagnosed with mesothelioma, and you're struggling with how you're going to handle your case. Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney in New York City, and I've represented many steam fitters over the years, and I can tell you that their exposures are always the same. Steam fitters worked with pipes and gaskets each and every day. And steam fitters helped to build this city, and in so doing, they worked at every powerhouse, built the powerhouses, and were exposed to those asbestos gaskets that were in between the flanges of every pipe in those powerhouses, the prefabricated gaskets as well as the sheet gaskets that you cut with thick shears to fit over those flanges, and then you take a hammer and pound through the flange where the bolt hole is so that you can make that gasket fit securely. While you were doing your work, other trades were working around you. Insulators were insulating some of the very same pipes that you were working on, and they were insulating equipment that was nearby to your work. And while you were working on these pipes and dealing with these flanges, you were attaching these pipes to large pieces of equipment like boilers or pumps. And those pieces of equipment were covered with asbestos, causing you to be exposed again. Well, there are many ways that steam fitters were exposed to asbestos, both from their work and from the work of others in their working vicinity. And why am I telling you this? Because you've been exposed to asbestos. Over the years, I've represented many members of the local 638 Steamfitters Union here in New York City. And each of them has talked to me and talked in their deposition, in their case, about their exposures to asbestos gaskets and asbestos insulation and asbestos pipe covering. And if you're a steam fitter, I'm sure you had many of the same exposures. And I'm sure you have many questions about mesothelioma. Well, I have the answers to those questions. I'm Joe Williams, and I invite you to call me at my office at the number below, and we'll answer your questions. We represent mesothelioma victims every day. This is what we do, and I'd be happy to speak to you. Thank you.